God have mercy upon us. God have mercy upon us.
We don't know why it's going on. Yeah!
God have mercy upon us.
He shot you. Shay.
God have mercy upon us.
be mumu. You think say they wise? You are a mumu man. You are a mumu man.
He shot you.
Jesus!
It was at this moment that he knew.
God have mercy upon us.
Che. You be mumu. You think say they wise? You are a mumu man.
Awakawa. Patro wan sele ya basina kana tubo kele kuku. Ojiri kwa sinaka pale akajiri puwak. Nsuso badudu. Nsuso badudu. Ikrule onye belaka. Ogana maja gagra negu onye kaza tukumbele kaza. Ojiri kwa sinaka pale akajiri puwak. Nsuso. My son, you are the chosen one. Yes, you. Come, my son. Come, for you have been chosen. Come. Let me see your hand, my son. Stretch forth your hand. You have been chosen, my son. You have been chosen, my son.
We don't know why it's going on.
You think say they wise?
Pew. My son, You are not supposed to steal with that.
Officers, thank God you are here. Thank God you are here. That is the idiot. Arrest him. Arrest him. That is the idiot.
Calm down. Tell us what happened.
Officer.
Yes.
I needed domestic servants.
Okay.
And I needed cooks. So I had to embark on employment.
Okay.
I interviewed the first person. You say you can cook?
Yes, sir. I can cook very, very well.
You can cook very well.
Yes, very well.
It's not all about cooking very well. It's all about loyalty. Are you a loyal person?
Very, very loyal, sir.
You're very loyal?
Yes.
Okay, now, if I ask you to kill my daughter for me,
Not be juju be that.
to poison my daughter, will you do that? Just take this poison the food, and kill my daughter for me.
No, sir, I can't. How will you ask me to poison your daughter?
And that means you don't need this job. You can go. Get out. I say get out. Get out! Get out!
Wait. Sir,
Yes.
why would you want to poison your own daughter?
Officer, that is not even the problem.
Okay, what's the problem?
I interviewed the second person. It's not all about cooking. It's all about loyalty. Are you a loyal person?
Yes, I'm very loyal, sir.
Very loyal.
Yes, sir.
Can you keep secrets?
I can keep secret very well, sir.
Are you very sure?
I'm good at keeping secrets, sir.
All right. Now, can you poison my daughter? Yes. If I ask you to poison my daughter, will you?
Okay. If that's what you want, sir, I'll poison her.
Sure. Good. Now. Take this, okay? Prepare a delicious meal, okay? And poison it. Did you hear me? Poison it. Yes, that's good.
No!
Jesus!
Don't eat it. Your father asked me to poison the food.
Jesus!
But my conscience will not allow me to let you eat it. Please don't eat it.
You a fool. So my father asked you to poison me and you're spilling it out. Do you know that this is a test?
You think say they wise?
In fact, you cannot keep secrets. You cannot be loyal to this family. We can't employ you. You don't have a future here.
Yes. You're a nincompoop. It was just a test. It was a fake poison. It's not real. Just some things I just put this thing just to test your loyalty. And able to keep secret of this family. And you just peel out the whole thing. Get out.
Please leave this house.
Get out.
Okay, but this story has nothing to do with this young man you asked us to arrest. What does it have to do with him?
You see, the next day, I interviewed this idiot. You said you can cook very well. Are you really very sure? Okay. Being a good cook goes with absolute loyalty. Are you a loyal person?
Yes, sir.
Then, can you keep secret? Okay. Now, can you poison my daughter to death?
Jesus!
Can you do that? Can you? I'm asking you again. Can you? Because this is the criteria for your employment. Can you do that?
Yes, sir.
You can.
Yes, sir.
All right. Now, take this poison, put it in her food. That particular portion she will be taking. By the time she eats it half, she'll be dead. And whatever I tell people is the cause of her death stands. Can you keep it as a secret?
Yes.
Good. In that case, you've got the job.
Sir, wait. What in this story warrants his arrest? He hasn't done anything wrong.
When he brought the food,
A few moments later.
it's very good. It's good. It's very tasty.
Dad. I like this one. Food is so nice though.
Okay.
And we are employing him.
That's good.
He's very loyal. He didn't say anything.
That's good. That's good. Whatever you say is what I will do.
Our new chef! I want more. I want more. I want more.
Jollof rice are finished. What is remaining now is fried rice.
Wow, that's nice. Get me some.
Okay, sir.
Yes.
I've heard your story, but there is nothing in it to warrant this man's arrest.
Officer, as we are talking here now, my daughter is battling for her life in the hospital.
How?
After he brought the second food. Are you alright? Are you alright? Chef, bring water, bring water, bring water. Bring water, God, bring water. My daughter is choking. Go. Sorry. Bring water! Bring water! She's choking!
Wait. Everybody just hold on a minute. I thought you said it was a fake poison.
Officer, it was a fake poison.
Uh-huh.
It was a fake poison I gave to this idiot to test his loyalty. Not to test his loyalty.
You think say they wise?
Come, young man, what happened?
No, it's that time that he give me poison. Let me use it and poison in Peking.
Continue.
Then the person did not work. And I said, no, I don't want to lose my job. Oh. Let my job now. Let my organ not say that I did not kill him Peking for him. Oh. And I go inside kitchen and I look. And I say rat poison. And I say, okay, so this rat poison can kill in Peking. And I carry the rat poison and I put it in Peking food.
Jesus!
Fast.
He shot you.
Young man, you're under arrest.
Sir, I put the poison well, I kill her. She will die. Don't worry, she will die. I don't want to lose my job, please. She will die. That poison that I put in food now, that hospital that I have carried and go, she will not survive, she will die. Sir, please, I don't want to lose my job. Sir, please, promise I'll kill your daughter for you. If she don't die in that hospital now, me, I'll go myself, I'll go and carry the knife and choke her. She will die. Please, sir, please, don't sack me now, please.
He shot you.
Please, I'll kill her for you, yeah? I'll make you cry. If you have another daughter, I will kill him.
This man, you're a lunatic. You're a lunatic.
Thank you. How did you know? I think I tell you, see, that one, I did not study it in school, or it's just working for me. Lunatic is something, it's just working for me. It's something that is doing me natural.
It's working for you. Shoot this man in his leg.